Hey everyone, so today we're going to be unboxing some of the YJ MGC 2x2 version 2s that have been sent out for testing recently. I'm really excited for this. I got to test the first MGC 2x2 around 2 years ago, and that ended up being really successful with how great it was, especially for it only being like $10. And even though it wasn't my main, I did use it in a few competitions, and it was a really great cube. So let's hope that this one is even better. I think I have 3 in here. I opened it recently, but I haven't touched any of the cubes yet. So it looks as though this one, there's 2 different magnet strengths. I don't know if these 2 are the same cube or not, since they're both N48, but I think this one has magnets that are a little lighter. So we will try out all 3 of those. So I'm going to start off with one of the N48s, I guess. So I'll put these 2 back here for now. So let's open this one up. So let's do some first turns. Okay, I'd say this is pretty interesting. Out of the box, this feels a lot less scratchy than the old MGC. I have it over here. As you can see, it has kind of this different sound. It's a lot more like clackier. Like when it came out of the box, it felt more scratchy, even though some of that wore away. It's pretty smooth, but it kind of has this lighter clacky feeling, I kind of guess. This feels a lot smoother right now. It seems to be about the same size as the Volk here on the right. Maybe even slightly larger, but I think basically the same size. So on this run, I mean, just first thoughts, I think it'll probably be better than the old MGC. It seems a little lighter than what I'd like still, but I don't know, I'll just have to kind of get used to it. Part of that's just like what I'm used to with the Volk and older cubes like the Callan, I guess, and Waco that were my favorites, but I'm not going to rule this out or anything. It's not like overly light or anything, just a little less than I would say the Volk. But it seems to be turning pretty smooth. Smoother than my MGCs personally, I guess. But let's try out some of the other ones now. So this one is the N45s, I think. So I guess the magnets should just be a little lighter. And yeah, you can definitely feel less magnets. This one also seems like it may be a little looser. I'll have to kind of figure out what the settings are on these cubes and maybe leave them a little bit. The other one seemed a little bit more controllable. I probably would like the heavier magnets, but I'll have to this one's not bad either. So let's try out the last one. This one also says N48, so I guess it's going to be, I'm not sure if it's the exact same as this. I think so, but I'll just try it out to make sure. Yeah, it seems to be about the same. I'll let you know if there's any differences. But I think I'm probably going to like this version, the N48, more than the N45s, which is probably why they sent 2 of them then. So I think these are the same ones. But definitely looks pretty promising. I'll upload some solves along with this video just right after this. And yeah, I'll have to get used to it a little, but I'll let you know some of my other thoughts as well after that.
Megan.